Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be talking about numbers 56 through 60 of my list of the 100 top traders. Today we'll be talking about the T. Rowe Price New Era, Nelson Peltz, Glenview Capital Management, Appaloosa Management, and BlackRock Large Cap Value. Now, this strategy has done so well for me, that's put me in the top 7% in this year's CNBC tournament with returns of over 43%. Also, you can see how it's done for me in past tournaments. Now, what I merely do is follow the picks of the most successful investors out there and find their plays through such free websites like Stock Picker, The Motley Fool Caps, and Covestor, and then get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. Now, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of January the 2nd, 2009. Now, first we look at BlackRock Large Cap Value. You'll see they have some moderate buys with IBM, Exxon, CVX, RTN, T, CB, and COP. Next to Appaloosa Management, there's Oracle, ASML, and UTX coming in at moderate buys. Then we have Glenview Capital Management with T, TMO, ESRX, GLW, Mckeon, and NCR. All of those would be moderate buys at this time. Next we move on to Nelson Peltz with Kraft and Heinz. Both of those would be considered moderate buys at this time. Finally today, the T. Rowe Price New Era with RIG coming in at a strong buy, and Exxon, NE, British Petroleum, and COP would be considered moderate buys at this time. Now, of course, I'd like to remind you again that all analyst recommendations are as of January the 2nd, 2009. And in review, the strong buys are RIG, and the moderate buys are here for you as well. So in review, we went through these money managers and got an average analyst ranking through these free websites. So if you'd like to do the same, you could merely type these into the appropriate websites and get a more up-to-date reading. So, on to disclosure disclaimer. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. Also, I currently own shares of British Petroleum, Consol Energy, General Electric, Goldman Sachs, International Business Machines, JP Morgan, and Total. So in closing, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time. Oh, I'm a whale watcher.